Still shooting. Summer snakes. More, we want more. Hey guys, welcome. Guys,
Wait, so you say me hello?
welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been quite some. Oh my god. Hey guys.
Hi.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is like take 6 already because someone keeps on messing up.
Getting party, yeah.
Anyway, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been quite some time since I shot a video, almost a month, but it's because I've been having so much going on and my hands have been full. But now I'm back, bigger and better.
Another video.
Yeah. So in case you don't know who's this behind me,
She's a human being.
Shut up.
Cartoon.
Yeah, she keeps on talking. My god, she's a talking machine. Yeah, this is Frankie. If you've watched my previous vlog before, she's featured in one of them. Yeah, she's my friend, my best friend. Say hi. Does she say hi? Yeah, she said hi. Yeah, anyway.
I'm her friend.
Yeah. You're stupid. So we're here at Village Market today. We're going to try bowling. It's bowling Saturday. Bowling. Yeah, I just made that up. Yeah, it's bowling Saturday. This is my second time going bowling actually, but
Yeah, she's kind of a pro right now, so she wants to embarrass me
yeah.
by showing.
So yeah, I can't wait to see her mess up and make a fool of out of herself. She's an amateur. At least I'm better now. Yeah, I've been bowling before. The first time I was really shitty. I literally threw.
She's real.
Okay, Frankie, just shut up. I literally threw the ball like a log of wood. Yeah, you'll just see the video.
No, you threw it like you're throwing some water from a bucket.
It was embarrassing. I will show the video. But anyway, today I won't embarrass myself. Today is her day to embarrass herself, so yeah.
Don't count on that. You never know.
Let's do this. Idiot.
Hey guys, so we are here at the bowling alley. Finally!
And we have to wait 45 minutes for us to be next in line, so yeah. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do for 45 minutes. That's what's up.
2 hours later.
Yo, I just got the message. Let's go get our bowling shoes. Let's go to the reception. Yeah, this is it.
Frankie! end of our activity for today. Village market is a wrap. It was really fun. So, as the winner of the bowling challenge, yes, I won by 59.
Yeah, right.
And Frankie, the one shooting the video, the loser.
Harder.
Yeah.
The difference is just 5. Don't
Yeah,
make it
whatever.
such a
And she
big
played my
deal.
last game. You played my last game by the way, and you got me a 0. But I
No.
still won. So you see, yeah. Yes. So first of all, I'd like to thank God.
Yeah, right.
Yes, for the victory, my fan. Yes. And yeah, I know I have the skills. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. It was great. Today was really fun. You guys should really try bowling. Yeah, it's really awesome. It's a really nice experience. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, hit that notification button. Till next time, bye.
Bye.